Good morning students. Today we will discuss the next topic, that is concentration terms. Okay, concentration terms means किसी solution को express करने के लिए जो terms use करते हैं to express the concentration of that solution, कि how much dilute or how much concentrated it is. Understood? Earlier you were saying solubility, है ना? How much solute is dissolved in how much solvent. Understood? Or how much solute is dissolved in a specific amount of solvent, that is solubility. तो solubility भी concentration को ही बताता है, but इस solubility को बताने के लिए we need to define some terms. Understood? Earlier you were using mass percentage, I think you had used, okay, but now some more terms will be used in this class. Okay, so this will be further proceed into class 12th also. There also its uses are there. Understood? So you have to learn it very carefully, that all the terms are very much useful. Understood? Okay, and in practicals also, I know when you will be doing, but you will be doing. Understood? In 11th, in 12th class also you will be performing some practicals. So in practical aspects also these formula are very useful. Without that you cannot prepare a solution. Okay, without knowing this, क्योंकि बच्चे आते तो हैं प्रैक्टिकल करने को, बट उनको पता ही नहीं रहता, क्योंकि थ्योरी में अच्छे से पढ़ते ही नहीं है. So that's why you have to study very carefully in theory itself, so that it will be very easier for you to perform in the practicals. Understood? Okay, now see this. First is mass percentage. I think you had used this. Okay, mass percentage. Mass percentage or mass percent I have written. Okay, mass percentage is what? Mass of the solute upon mass of solution into 100. Simply ये हमने पढ़ा है. अच्छा. The heading is what? The concentration of the solution can be expressed in number of ways. Okay, किसी भी concentration को express करने के लिए many number of ways are used. So these are following. Mass percentage. Mass percentage is mass of solute upon mass of solution. Mass of solute, whatever is given, if 2 gram is given, 2 gram in 80, say 20 gram I have taken. 20 gram of sugar is dissolved in 80 gram of water. So 20 gram आपका solute हो गया. That will be your mass of solute 20 upon mass of solution. Solution हमेशा याद रखना, 9th में भी बहुत गड़बड़ करते थे कि what you are doing, absolutely जो वैल्यू दी हुई होती थी उसको पुट कर देते थे. You have to add those solute and solvent values. Understood? Then only solution will come. Understood? Okay, so mass of solute here, for example, you have substituted 20. Now mass of solution is what? Solute plus solvent. You have to substitute 20 plus 80 here. Understood? 20 plus 80 into 100. So what will be your answer? 20 upon 100 into 100. Understood? क्या होगा? 20 upon 100 now into 100. This will be 20%. Understood? If 10 gram would have given, तो 10% आता. So like this the question will be asked and you have to use your brain. Understood? Now if in this class percentage दिया जाए आपको, यहाँ पे हो सकता है ऐसा बोला कि 20% in 80%, sorry in what? हाँ 20% in 80% solvent. Now 80% solvent है तो उसका मतलब बाकी जो दिया हुआ है that will be your, obviously that will be your solute. ठीक है, वो दिया हुआ होगा, आपको खुद समझ जाना है कि 20% is solute means 80% will be automatically your water. Understood? I will give you some questions also, but I am just giving an example कि किस तरह से question पूछा जा सकता है. It can be in the form of some परसेंट नहीं दिया हुआ होगा क्योंकि परसेंट तो पूछा जा रहा है, बट इन क्वेश्चन में कहीं पे भी इस तरह से कुछ चीजें रहे तो आपको खुद समझना है कि बाकी जो चीज है वो वाटर है, बाकी द रेस्ट ऑल थिंग इज गिवन एज सॉल्वेंट. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू हैव डन, बट दैट टाइम आल्सो यू वर डूइंग मिस्टेक दैट यू आर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द गिवन वैल्यू 20 upon 80 into 100 करके रख देते थे. दैट विल नॉट वर्क हियर. ओके, you have to substitute it very carefully. Now next is mole fraction. This is the new term. Mole fraction is what? Ratio of total number of moles upon ratio of total number of moles of a particular component. Okay, of a particular component molecular component मतलब वो solute भी हो सकता है, that can be a solvent also, to the total number of moles of solution. Understood? मैं एक example दे रही हूँ. For example, you have how many 10 fruits you purchased. Okay, 10 fruit आपने purchase किया. 10 fruit में से अब 2 is banana, 2 are banana and rest 8 are oranges. Okay, so now if I will ask you the fraction, means what is the portion of banana in the childhood you have studied, तो अब क्या बोलोगे 2/10 है ना. If I will ask you what is the portion of orange, you will say 8/10. Means what you are doing 2 upon what you are doing 2/2 plus 8 यही कर रहे हो ना. 2/2 plus 8 कर रहे हो. ठीक है, क्योंकि 8 बाकी जो पोर्शन है वो इसका है या टोटल पोर्शन कर रहे हो. ठीक है, इसमें बोलूंगी ऑरेंज का क्या है तो 8/, what you are doing 8 plus 2 you are doing, क्योंकि 8 तो ये है और दूसरा फ्रूट 2 है. सो मतलब जितने जिसका पूछा जा रहा है उसका अपॉन टोटल. अंडरस्टूड? whatever is asking, जो पूछा जा रहा है that how much portion is of banana upon total portion, how much portion is of orange 8 upon total portion. ठीक है, so that is only here also, means it is introduced here also कि total number of solute का पूछा जा रहा है. अगर if it is asked for solute, the solute upon solution, but यहाँ पे solute upon solution क्या, mass नहीं, moles, moles of solute upon moles of solution. If I am asking about the moles of solute, then you will do number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solution. If I am asking what is the number of moles of solvent, so what you will do, number of moles of solvent upon number of moles of solution. Okay, you can see in this part. Okay, like this Na जो है वो है आपका solvent. Every time Na is what, mole fraction, it is of moles of solvent and Nb is moles of solute. In the book everywhere it is taken, हमेशा A को solvent ले रहा है और B को आपका क्या ले रहा है, solute. Understood? याद रखना A is solvent and B is solute. So you have to take like this, otherwise फिर confusion create होगा. Okay, now if it is a mole fraction of क्या solute बताओ, what is the mole fraction of solute? तो mole fraction का एक denotation का एक तरीका है, that is xb. Denotation formula is there, that is xb. So what will be the how you can write the formula? xb is equal to nb, that is moles of solute upon moles of solution. Moles of solution is क्या, number of A, moles of A upon number of moles of B. Understood? Like this you have to substitute. I will give you question for each and every formula, but now write it carefully. Okay, so this is the method. अगर XA पूछेगा तो यहाँ पे Na upon same Na plus Nb. Understood? This is moles of what, moles of solution. This is moles of solution and that is moles of solute. Understood? Like this. If it is asked for moles of solvent, तो आपको यहाँ पे Na रखना है. Understood? Okay. Next, molarity. What is molarity? Molarity is again a next concept. ये नया है. Number of moles of solute dissolving per liter of solution. Understood? Number of moles of solute dissolving per liter of solution. कितने number of moles of solute dissolve है 1 लीटर solution में. Understood? नहीं समझ आया? ठीक है, देखते हैं. This is a new formula. We'll see how to do. Number of moles of solute upon 1 liter of solution. अभी इतना ही लिखो. I will tell you how to make this solution. Number of moles of solute upon 1 liter of solution. मान लो मैंने आपको बोला 2 molar NaOH बनाओ. ठीक है, 2 molar NaOH. I told you this is denoted by capital N and these are denoted by small n and this is obviously liter. Understood? Okay. Now I asked you 2 molar का solution बनाइए. Understood? Now what you will do? क्या करोगे आप? 2 NaOH, जो भी मास होगा बताऊंगी मैं हाउ टू प्रिपेयर, बट लेट्स सी हियर नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट मतलब क्या है N अपॉन कैपिटल M, ठीक है। नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट मास अपॉन कैपिटल M, ठीक है, ये कैलकुलेट करोगे एंड आफ्टर दिस कैलकुलेशन यू हैव टू मेक इट इन 1 लीटर। इसके नीचे क्या रखोगे 1 लीटर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, अंडरस्टूड। यू राइट दिस वैल्यूज, you write this formulas. I will tell you this again because this is a new term, but write the definition first. अगर definition ही नहीं पता होगा तो कोई मतलब नहीं होगा आगे पढ़ाने का, understood? So number of moles of solute dissolve in 1 liter of solution. कितने मोल डिजॉल्व है 1 लीटर सॉल्यूशन में, अंडरस्टूड? Okay, this much you write. Then we will do in the next video that how to make a molar solution and what is molality and how to make a molal solution. We will be discussing that. Okay, okay students. So write this and write the formula properly. See this, study this, and then we will meet in the next video.